Hello, AgriScience. It's Tuesday, December 1st. Just to go over what we're doing in class today, the first thing that you need to do is a Kahoot quiz. It's not very long. It's 11 questions. It's self-paced. The link is right here, so all you should have to do is click on that and it will open. The biggest thing is please make sure you use your first and last name. The other thing that we are knocking out today are the notes on the animal science tools. So those are right here, the animal science tools, slides, and outline. And what you need to do is go ahead and complete your slides or use the slides to complete your outline. Just to kind of run through here a couple things. There's a couple of different kinds of castrators. You remove the testes, and what it does is prevent males from breeding. Hence, that's how we get steers and a couple other animals. It eliminates testosterone. So you still have the full-bodied animals, yet you don't have all the testosterone and the fighting that goes along with it. Dehorners are used to remove the growth cells from animals. What that does is it prevents horns from growing. A couple reasons why you do that. One is to make sure that you don't get hurt when you're handling them, and then also they don't get hurt when they're messing around with other animals. This is what a hot iron dehorner looks like. There's lots of different kinds. You can also use an acid paste. So there are a couple of different ways that you can dehorn animals. Ear taggers, basically this is used to mark your animals. So that's what an ear tagger looks like. You use it to put it in the animal, use it to put a little hole, puts the tagger in there all in one step. V-notchers are used in swine. So you will mark pig ears. You do this in swine because you can't put a tag in them because they would just chew them off and pull them out of each other's ears. An implant gun injects growth hormones into animals. That's what an implant gun looks like. Candling, inside of an egg, what you're looking for are blood spots. You're also looking for air pockets. And by shining a light on the inside, you can see those features. This is an example of what candling looks like. A rectal thermometer, obviously you can't put a thermometer in an animal's mouth because it will just bite it, chew it, and break it right off. A syringe, you do have to give shots or draw bodily fluid. Incinerators, in the poultry industry, we use incinerators to remove dead birds. Let's see here, fencing pliers is what we use to build and repair fences, pretty self-explanatory. Staples are used for barbed wire fences. Twitches we use to restrain horses. Basically, if you're shoeing a horse, they're not used to it or whatnot. You want to make sure that animal can't kick you, and so that's the way that works. Artificial insemination. We use artificial insemination in order to improve genetics. So we looked at some equipment that's used. Artificial vagina collects semen. It's stored in a liquid nitrogen holding tank. Obviously, it has to be extremely cold in order to remain viable. This is an insemination straw, and that's what's used to deposit semen in females. That is a picture of a syringe. We did look at all these tools in class and talk about them more in depth. So you did miss that opportunity, but this will be enough to get those slides done so you know the material for our test. If you have any questions, send me an email, and I'll see you all in class tomorrow.